birthday girls. Two-time for the birthday girls. Just, she's so cute. Marissa for the birthday girl. I love these stairs. Winding down. We having fun because girls just like to have a good fucking time. Go on and shake that ass. You know we getting paid.
In as many ways as possible into this radio ad.
I'm singing hi to the birthday girl. Happy birthday to anybody.
I'm a Remax agent now on stage and
YouTube, y'all already know I smoke. It's a special occasion though. That's why I do it. I with my girls. Like the way that I rap.
I should've known better, but still I'm saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Everything was always on the stall with you.
This is the new rule in the bank. Latino gang. Yeah, está toda cerveza. Pero que en el closet tengo mucha grasa.
Birthday girl this weekend.
Yeah, hablamos de no tengo drink.
Around like ARosEC. Hey, you got me, but I'm spray on for breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. On the phone talking to
That's a spot. Shut up. I got this. I know. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Look, if they got right when we put the bar, he was like, "Come here, what do y'all want?"
We're here now.
I said, "iPhone raised my girl. He's like, just some here in the code." I said, "It's fine."
4-2.
This third one?
Yeah, 2. Yes, come on.
I said 3.
Cause I keep it all. Cause I remember it says 3 over there.
Get Missy with a bar. I don't know. What's up, y'all?
Isn't the lobby bars open? Which one is open? The lobby?
I know people. I got mad people trying to stalk my shit right now. What? It's okay.
She talking
It's like I said, I'm out with the old and with the new. And it's just me and me.
I kept calling your phone, you wasn't answering. And I didn't
see
sit on that
either.
chair on that table.
So then in the car then.
Nah, cause you.
I'm probably gonna audio this out because I'm a little tipsy right now. But like I really
I
want
left
to
it in the
go to
bathroom.
Maritza. Oh my gosh, in the bathroom. Huh? I'm doing a video. Birthday girl.
Birthday girl, Saturday.
about to play Doja Cat. Keep that booty booty. Keep that. Oh no.
Bill, that's yours, best drink. That's yours, baby. Long Island. I got stuck with one of those bags. I don't get no service.
You didn't want that?
That's yours. Mine's coming. We give you your Henny and your drink. You better take that.
It has that thing on there. I love filters.
Now, I was talking about the bar. I think that's why the other one was shut down. But the restaurant is beautiful. That's like 2 summers ago. Someone else was like, know about it.
Let's go. Wow, we couldn't do it tonight, but another night. We're in Jersey right now, and we getting lit. We got our wet willies. I got my Wonder Woman, and I'm flying high. I'm so fly.
Happy birthday! Come on, dear.
Happy birthday, baby! Huh? Yeah. Oh, y'all not used to that. You ain't used to that. Like, oh, no. Yeah, I want it. What's up?
Let's make a movie, nigga. I'm tired of movies and more things. What you got in your head?
It's beautiful 2021 year.
She gonna play my song. She gonna play my hit record. And we about to all shake the tail feather up in here. Once you hear my shit, ready?
Yeah, baby! Oh, shit. Hey! Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday!
Give me a tongue.
Happy birthday, baby! What you got?
I got a long tongue.
What you got?
Yeah, now you know I always give you guys a card.
She's so sentimental, yes. You probably needed that too, didn't you?
Hell yeah.